Understanding computer studies. Computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and instructions through an input unit. Hardware refers to the machinery itself and to the various components and equipment of the computer system. Software refers to the set of computer programs, procedures, and associated documents that describe how the programs are to be used. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. The ports of hardware of a computer are the CPU and the computer memory. Primary memory is the main memory, which is the basic unit of all computers. It includes RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, secondary storage devices, are the units where data or information can be stored for future use. A byte is the smallest unit of storage which represents a character in a computer. Disk drive is a peripheral device used for the storage and retrieval of information on a computer. It includes CDs, that is compact discs, and DVDs, digital versatile discs. Motherboard is a printed circuit board that provides a platform for various components of ICs of a computer. Ports, or the connecting nodes to interface the peripheral devices with the processor. Modem is a device that modulates outgoing digital signals from a computer or other digital devices to analog signals. Peripheral devices are the devices that support or complete a computer system along with the CPU. Input devices are used to send the instructions and data to a computer system for processing. These are keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, web camera, etc. Output devices are the units through which we get the results of any processed data. Printers. Printers are common output devices used to get the results on paper, hard copy. An impact printer forms characters or images by hitting a print hammer or a wheel against an inked ribbon. Non-impact printer forms characters and images without a direct physical contact between the printing mechanism and the paper. A liquid crystal display LCD projector is an output device used to magnify the presentations prepared on a computer. Secondary storage devices, the devices that store the data or instructions for future use. Hard disk is one of the most useful and popular storage devices. It is the main secondary storage device of a computer system. Pen drive is a rewritable portable storage device and holds the data in memory without power supply. Pen drive fits into any USB, universal serial bus port on a computer. The SD card, secure digital card, is an ultra small flash memory or a non-volatile memory card designed to provide high capacity memory. The binary number system, which has only two digits, 0 and 1. Generally, a computer system deals with four types of number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. A decimal number system uses all the digits from 0 to 9. A decimal number system is represented with 10 as the base of a number. The base of a number in a binary system is 2. An octal number system uses the digits from 0 to 7. The base of an octal number system is 8. To convert a binary number to its equivalent octal number, you need to group the binary numbers in 3 bits form. To convert binary number to octal number, we need to group into 3 bits form. In hexadecimal number system, we use the digits from 0 to 15. The base of a hexadecimal number is 16. In a hexadecimal number system, the digits 10 to 15 are represented by the letters A to F, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. To convert any binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal form, you need to group the binary digits in 4 bits form. Binary number to hexadecimal number, we need to group them in 4 bits pattern. Virus is a computer program which runs on any computer system without the user's knowledge. It is a man-made program which is destructive in nature. The people write and spread viruses because they think that it is a way of getting recognition from their peers. The virus can be entered to computer system by browsing unwanted websites or reading unwanted mails. If your system is affected by virus, you may notice that the data files may corrupt. The opening or closing of programs or data files takes more time. Viruses can be classified into 2 categories on the basis of their behavior. They are general infectors and system infectors virus. Worm viruses are programs which don't affect the functioning of a system but replicate themselves. Boot sector virus may affect the boot sector of a hard disk, and as a result, the system may come to a halt. Avoid using pirated CD or DVD to protect your system from virus attack. Antivirus softwares are the utility programs which prevent viruses from attacking the system. Install original antivirus software and update regularly to protect your system from virus attack. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. The unwanted messages of mailbox are called spam. Phishing is a new kind of cybercrime and method of committing online financial fraud. The word hacking can be defined as unauthorized use of computer and network resources. The people who are involved in this crime are called hackers. Ethics is a set of moral principles that govern the behavior of a group or individual. An act of copying others' creation and producing as own creation in same form or other is known as plagiarism. The term bullying is unwanted or aggressive behavior shown by a person. Intellectual property means ownership of ideas which is created by using skills and mental ability of the person. Trademark is an identity to preserve the software. The process of making copies of software without buying the appropriate license or copyright is known as software piracy. Don't share your personal information like name, age, address, account number, etc. with anyone. Don't share your password with anyone through he or she is your close friend. Don't be tempted towards unknown advertisement. You may be trapped for harassment. Digital footprint is trailing information online about accessing a site or email ID left unclosed or undeleted. Firewall is defined as a network security device that allows or rejects network access between an untrusted zone, that is internet, and a trusted zone, a private network.